In this video, we're going to introduce Canva, which is a website that will help you to create your first graphic design projects. So if you are not an expert in graphic design, if you're a beginner, you can start with this tool here because it's really easy to use, really fast. And you don't have to download and install anything. You can just log in or just get into a web browser and reach the website here, and that's all you need to do. You don't need to download and install anything. So search for Canva on Google and click on the first result here, and that's it. And it's gonna show you a lot of options at the beginning. So this also already tells you a lot about graphic design. So graphic designs, it's basically divided into two big categories, which are the printed design and the digital design. So digital media and printed media, you can choose between these two big families. And here you can start with the templates, for example. So if you really don't know what to do, you need to start somewhere, you can go here in the templates and you can check, for example, all the templates. Now, what is a template? For the ones who don't know, it's basically something that will help you to start using another layout, using other graphic assets. So it will help you not to start from zero. It will give you just a few assets that you can work with. And we're gonna see this in this first introductory video. Now we want to create more videos about Canva. So if you support us, we can make more, and also about other similar application. If you go here in the channel and join, you can support us. Also, if you want to see similar application, just type here graphic design and you will find other videos about this. And also I will suggest you another tool which is called Capwing. So just search for Capwing video course and you will find lessons about Capwing that we are gonna publish. You can also check in the playlist here at the top in the English video courses. We have a lot of video courses already done, but again, if you support us, we can make more in the future. Okay, now let's see what Canva is about. Now this is the home page and this is a web app. So we don't need to download and install anything. We can just start by choosing one of these templates. You can start from here, and you also have, you can see here other features here to have printed products and other stuff. You can also have a downloadable version if you want. You can use this on Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. And also you have some plans. So this is a totally free application if you want to use the standard, but you can also have more versions and for business or things like that. Okay, now let's get started with something really simple. So again, we can check here other categories. So let's say we want to start with social media, and later on we will also do other examples with all the other tools. So social media here will help me to create Instagram post, Facebook post, stories, and Facebook cover, animated social media, and so on. Let's get to the Instagram story, for example. Let's start with this. Now this is gonna open up the editor. The Canva editor will open up every time you're gonna start with a first project, and you can see you have everything set up here. You have the exact dimensions, so height and width of the things that you want to do, but you can also use templates. Now it's also gonna show you a tour the first time you're gonna use it to explain what's inside here, but we're gonna do this together. So for example, let's say I want to use one of these templates here. I can say, okay, let me find something that I like, and then I can customize it. So let's see that I like this one here. I will click on this. This is free. Now, not all the templates will be free. I will click here again, and there it is. So now it's telling me, okay, I can customize this. To customize it, I can select one element, one graphic asset or element inside my composition, inside my workspace here, and then I can edit it from using this toolbar. Now we're gonna talk about this later on. This is just an introductory video, just an introduction to the software. But basically we can customize anything here. So I will double click and type here, for example, JB design, okay, and whatever I want basically. So these are why templates are so useful. They will give you something to start with, a layout, look and feel, you know, a graphic design basically. And then you can just customize it. Okay, let's go to the next point here. Okay, of course you can use the templates, you can use the say the preset elements that you find here, but you can also upload your graphic design, your photos, your whatever, and just insert them then in a layout, in a template to customize it. But this, we're gonna see this later on. Let's see next. Okay, we can also use the animation tools. These are also available in Capwing. So Capwing is more for video editing, video montage. This one is more for layout design and graphic design, photo montage, and so on. Okay, let's go next. All right, now this is the end of the story, basically, the end of the process when you finish your work and you want to publish it, or you can just download it. So right here, it's the download link. So I can click here, and also you can see the file type. You can change that. Some features are for premium accounts, so you cannot do everything. There are some things you cannot do unless you do the other paid account. Okay, I'm downloading right now, and there it is. Now I will find this in my download folder. I can save this in my download folder, and that's it. It's a PNG. It's a image format. You can also do this with videos and animation and so on. And so you can download this, and then you can maybe place this in an email. You can send this in WhatsApp or wherever. You can send it in any social network. You can use it in Facebook or whatever, and then you can save it. You can store it in your computer directly, or you can share this. You can click on share and share it directly in social networks and other things like that, but you need to create an account. So in the next video that we're gonna do in Canva, we're also gonna create an account and start to use the other features here, and also the sharing and exporting. But if you want to do this right now, just sign up with your Google account or with your Facebook, or just create a random email with the password and you can access. What you need to have the access to that email, of course. They're gonna ask you for a confirmation in your email. Okay, yeah. Also, to save our work here in the cloud space given by Canva, we need to create an account. But again, we're gonna do that later on. Now you can see here you have many different tabs, also elements that are ready-made. You can just click them and drag and drop. This is the excellent thing about Canva. It's really easy. And of course, easy means fun. And also I have text, I have audio, videos, I have backgrounds, and so on. Now you can do all this stuff yourself, of course, but you need to use, for example, Photoshop or Illustrator or some similar tool. You cannot do this in Canva. Canva, you can just, like compositing, you can do some really standard stuff. This is all about starting to know what graphic design is and how we can work in compositing graphic design, in creating layouts, creating well, not professional projects, or just maybe in a little percentage it's gonna be professional, but it's just a tool, again, to make you start to understand what graphic design is. And it's excellent. It's excellent for students that want to start with this path, and they want to have a lot of examples. For example, here you have flyers, you have also, let's see here, in the templates you have invitations, cards, resumes, logos. So it's gonna give you a really complete idea of what you can do today in graphic design, basically. So this is what I think it's the most useful thing about Canva. It's a really nice starting point. Okay, now this is gonna be it for this introduction. Again, subscribe because we're gonna publish more videos about this particular tool, but also about other software, about other freeware, about free websites that can let you create stuff, and in this case, graphic design. And if you join us, you can support us. Also in the About page, you will find links here down below that these are services that will support us if you click on these links, but also you will get a bonus if you use these services. Of course, if you need them, otherwise don't worry about it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please check all the latest videos in the videos page and the playlist page here. You will find the English video courses at the top. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.